Welcome back to another episode of Pree. I'm your host Naldo Addy, and this week we're at Hope Gardens. So you don't know, so we have a whole heap of entertainment and lifestyle news for you guys. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get the show on the road. Rebel Salute returns at Grizzly's Plantation Cove on January 20th and 21st. Organizer Tony Rebel shares the details.
I know everybody got the keys, but me have to do my seat, Caesar what for Caesar, the youth them a feature. What I want to Jamaica, Parliament run the paper, get the youth them the cater, that's why the country not safer.
Rebel Salute, what can we expect this year on the event?
Well, you can expect what is always expected. A wide array of entertainment, edutainment, to satisfy your musical greed and your musical need. Also, we'll have food to the max, where we have the indigenous Jamaican products on sale, and we'll have in the Arts Village we have the indigenous artwork, and on the herb curb we have the herb curb there to educate people about they are sensitized people to about the therapeutic side of herb and the medicinal side of herb and the economical side of herb. So in order, we have a great show lineup.
We not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, and but thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah.
The first Rebel Salute was 1994, the 14th of January, and it commemorates my birthday, my Earth Day. And when my friends were encouraging me to, I could keep something for you, I could keep a bash for you. I said I never want a bash, because everybody had birthday bashes. And I decided to have something called a salute, because in Manchester, where I'm from, Knock Salute used to be the premier show down there. So I say, all right, I am Rebel, so make we call it Rebel Salute. Over the years, I have noticed that it swell into the holistic journey. At first, I just started no meat, no alcohol, but the holistic journey comes in where artists have to be inspirational and motivational to deal with the audience. I even have bounty killers, Rodney Price and Deanie Man as Moses Davis. I want the better side of them.
Don't allow them to strip you naked. That flower that you have is an orchid. Not trading for no fish and chips. Point your fingers to the skies with acrylic heart. Protect your
One of the performers, Stoneboy from Nigeria.
Yes.
How did you get hold of him, and how does he fit into the whole scheme of a Rebel Salute? Tell us.
Well, Stoneboy is a youth that is in Rasta, him deal with the culture. We always want to connect with Africa as our original spot, because if a cow have a calf in a goat pen, it don't become a kid, it's still a calf. So we were from Africa and we born around here, so we relate to them, especially Ghana. He's from Ghana, so we relate to them a whole lot. That is why I use Bobby Wine 2 years straight. Bobby Wine from Uganda, and I use Pato Rankin, I use Pree from Ghana already and so forth, and Nkule Dube from South Africa.
Good people fed up, two of them systems shake up every shop and feel it. Good people, two of them systems shake up every day we black. Will be leader, everybody up.
How you feel about that kind of contribution that Rebel Salute has been making to the economy?
Yes, man. Well, I feel proud to know that I can have an event that contributes to the GDP of Jamaica. I see the busmen and the taximen, everybody get busy when it comes to Rebel Salute. Them start to ask me this year if, wow, Rebel Salute don't keep. The hairdressers, the hotels, we would want more support from the hotels. We get good support from the hotels, but we'd want more because we'd want more rooms. To the amount of, because every hotel down now is full, you know, and they not only fill because people running away from the winter in their country, they come for Rebel Salute, or they are coming for Rebel Salute. A lot of the Airbnbs are also filled.
When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, all who look at how we got to be down, we have Mr. We free us, God, make money, money is dance, bump on mine, God knows me love woman, me father him.
I would love to leave a legacy of educational Jamaican vibe, you know what I mean? Something that people can look up to and see, say, it could be done. It could be done without alcohol. It could be done without meat. It could be done without slackness and vulgarity, you know what I mean? And people still would come. So for the next 100 years, somebody will know that this can happen.
Why the price of electricity is too high? Why the price of education is too high? Can't you see the tribalism? Listen, see
How does it feel being on the lineup of Rebel Salute?
It's a great feeling because I'm coming all the way from France. It's a long way, so, you know, coming back to my home to entertain the people is a great thing because it's normal. But I'm excited, I can't wait.
What can we expect from you on the Rebel Salute stage?
I'm gonna burn it straight. Fire.
Tell us the hits that you're gonna perform for the people. Lazy Body.
Oh yeah? Me and my girl was fighting, it happens to be a misunderstanding.
What the police can do.
Oh yeah?
Being around the world.
Being around the world and I. Somebody told me.
Among others.
Plus, Emmanuel would enough, but it all depends on the time slot.
up in the morning very early, round the breakfast in breakfast, 7 times the fast.
Rebel Salute is not a show that comes with a lot of drama. It's straight entertainment, cultural thing where family where can come and enjoy it. You may never see a fight at Rebel Salute yet. One of the greatest show me ever see in Jamaica, different from in my time, reggae Sunsplash.
The 20th and 21st of January 2023 at Plantation Cove in St. Anne.
Where we come from, this is another one. It is me, yes, Bad Bobby One, the highest bad budget gangster, yes indeed.
That was Tony Rebel telling us all about Rebel Salute. After the break, we're going to link up with an artist from St. Mary who goes by the name of Swaz. So forward.